Hello and welcome to today's Business Value Insights. My name is Max Dinzer. I'm a pre-sales consultant with HSO, and today I would like to introduce you into rental management. This video series contains out of 3 agenda steps. First, I'm going to introduce you into the industry context. Then we're going to talk about rental management, what it is in a more common detail. And last but not least, we're going to identify the business value it can generate for you. Today I'm going to focus on the industry context. Let's focus on the industry context. The rental industry is a dynamic industry. Topics like circular economy, sustainability are driving the impact. The world is changing, and so is the behavior of your customers as well. Do not think anymore about just selling your products. Think about renting your equipment as well. And that is a typical trend we see in why the rental market is growing heavily, and more manufacturers start to reconsider the rental industry as a valuable business. The rental industry is a dynamic and fastly changing industry. More and more companies are going to jump into it. The trends of circular economy and the sustainability are changing the world and are driving that impact as well. We see that original equipment manufacturers jump into rental as a new business model and explore these capabilities for themselves. In the current times, we see that capital is really tight. So a lot of large manufacturers, but as well dealer networks, are changing their business model away from a selling approach into a rental and leasing approach. Rental is of course already a long existing concept, but rental itself is changing its industry character as well. We see that rental companies are moving away from a typical rental rate, weekly, monthly, daily, into more a product as a service approach. Of course, you still have your monthly subscription to it, but you offer services and a whole-in-one package alongside that. For example, operating a crane or starting up a power generator, installing heavy equipment on the customer's construction site, and so on and so forth. That's why it's becoming more and more important to have in-depth analysis of how am I actually depreciating my assets, how is my fleet performing, and get a better understanding of that. Data can be the key driver to it, and rental management is designed to support you in the future of rental. And last but not least, we see more and more customers also creating complete new business models. A good example for that is one of our customers, Bredenoord, who is the largest producer of power generators in the Netherlands. They, for example, operate on a power-by-the-hour business model and not anymore on a typical rental rate. So you only pay for what you consume. With that, we come to the end of the series, and therefore I would like to thank you for your time and attention. We hope you liked this recording, and if you want to have a presentation of rental management, feel free to reach out on hso.com.